This video will be a quick overview of how to create a blog post for your classroom page. The first thing to do is to go to the school website, Our Lady of Victory Catholic School.org. Once you're at the website, go to the lower right-hand corner of the website and click Login. This will take you to the login screen. Enter your username and then enter your password. Then click Login. This will take you to the website dashboard. This is where you will create your classroom post. To create a post, click on the navigation menu, Posts, Add New. This will bring up an editing screen for your new post. For those of you who have created blog posts in the past, you'll notice that the layout of the editing screen is quite a bit different. This is due to a major upgrade of the software made by WordPress. The current editor is based on the concept of using blocks to create content. The easiest way to see this is by actually creating a post. The first entry is to add a title for your post. After you've created the title, then you will add your first block of content. There are many types of blocks. If you click on the plus sign, you will see many categories of blocks. The most used blocks will be the block for creating a paragraph, the block for creating a heading, and the block for inserting an image. There are many more blocks, but those are probably the three most used blocks. I will first create a heading for my post. As you can see, the heading has different sizes. I will use the font size H4, which is the smallest. And now we'll type the heading. Once I do a carriage return, it would automatically open a second block. And if I do not specifically select the type of block, it will assume that I want to do a paragraph block. So I will type a paragraph. I will now do a return, and what I want to do is add a second section. So I will create another title with a title block. And I will use heading size number 4. Enter, and again I will create a paragraph. I will hit enter, and then I will want to enter or add a picture of the St. Sebastian Project logo. So I will select the image block by clicking on it, and then it will ask me to upload a picture or image from my computer, or I can add an image from the website media library. I will go ahead and use an image that I've already uploaded to the website media library. And I'll find the image for St. Sebastian Project, and I will select it, and then in the lower right hand corner I will click select, and the image is inserted into my blog post. I will then quickly read through my post. I notice that I need a capitalize read, so I'll capitalize that. But at this point, everything looks good. You will notice on the right hand side that there are two views for the editor. One is the document view, which has various options for the entire document. And then there is a block view for making changes to the block itself. For instance, if I click on the heading block, you'll notice that I can align text differently and do other types of options. The most important thing that I need to do before I publish the blog post is to tell the website where I want it posted, and this is done by selecting the category. So there are categories for each of the classrooms, and in this example I will post it to the 5th grade classroom blog, so I select 5th grade. Please note that you can add your blog post to any of the classrooms, not just 5th grade, but if you want to post it to multiple classrooms, you just go ahead and check those classrooms. Just as a FYI, this particular category is for the blog post on the home page, news and events, so you want to be careful when using this one. So I will uncheck these. The next thing that we need to do is to simply go to the top and click publish and click publish again. And at this point, our post should be on the 5th grade classroom blog. So we'll go back to the school website, go to the 5th grade classroom blog, and we will notice that the post is now been added. So just as a quick summary, to create a blog post, just add a title, then add different blocks, either a title block, a paragraph block, or a image block. Also, just to let you know, if you want to delete a block, just click on the block and go to the 3 dots on the right hand side for more options, and you can actually remove the block by clicking remove block. So if I wanted to remove this paragraph, I would click on the 3 dots and I can remove this paragraph. If you want to add another block, for instance, if I wanted to add another paragraph after the title, you just click on the title block, click on the 3 option dots, and then you can insert a new block either before the title block or after the title block. So that's how you add blocks to an existing layout. After you publish your blog post, if you for some reason want to unpublish it, you can easily do that. So we will close out the published status. To change the status, just click switch to draft. Click OK, and this will unpublish the post. And if we go back to the website and if we do a refresh, it will remove the post from the 5th grade classroom page. If you want to delete the post altogether, you can move it to trash. And if the post was published at the time, moving it to the trash will also unpublish the post. If your blog post is in draft mode, the next time you log into the website, you'll notice that we unpublished it, so it's in draft mode. You can just go back to the list of posts, go back into edit, work on it some more, make sure you have the right category, and then click publish to publish it. And that's pretty much the overview of how to create a simple blog post and how to manage it. Thank you.